It's snowing. Just a sad outlook. Morning guys, my name's Alex. I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcela and our 2 dogs, and this is my daily vlog. In Zeus. Just in. What's Zeus? Muy bien, muy bien. Bueno chico. It's his first time. Yeah, okay. So it's Zeus's first time on the mountain. Let's see how it goes. Are you ready, Zeus?
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
Safe to say Zeus enjoyed that. So Zeus is back in the van now and then we're going up this mountain here. Snow's not great, but on the actual piste it's alright. We just stopped for a spot of lunch and heading back out now. Conditions are alright. There's snow on the ground in here, so should not moan. Good day at the mountain tomorrow. Oh yeah, love that. Fall, snow, fall. That's all we need. Alright guys, I'm going to sign a vlog off there. Been a bit of a messy one today, not much structure to it. Firstly on the mountain and everything else, but you know, there's snowing now outside quite a lot. There's going to be some good vlogs to come. Good night. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.